Unit 1 C Programming. Hello everyone. As you suggested in the comments, I'm covering the C programming syllabus unit-wise. So, let's start with Unit 1. In this video, we'll do a short revision of all the important topics in simple language. 1. History of C. C is a general-purpose programming language. It was developed by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Laboratories in the early 1970s. Though, character set. Character set means the characters we can use in C. It includes letters, digits, special symbols and white spaces. Theme. C tokens. Tokens are the smallest units of a C program. Mere types are keywords, identifiers, constants, string literals, operators and special symbols. Char. Identifiers. Identifiers are the names of variables, functions and other program elements. Important rule: an identifier cannot start with a digit and cannot be a keyword. C is also case sensitive. Patch. Keywords. Keywords are reserved words having a predefined meaning in C. Examples: int, if, else, for, while, return. Chair. Data types. Data types tell us what type of data a variable can store. Important ones are int for integers, char for characters, float and double for decimal values, and void for no value. 7. Variables and constants. A variable stores a value that can change during program execution. A constant is a fixed value that does not change. A symbolic constant gives a name to a fixed value, commonly using #define. 8. Operators. Operators are used to perform operations. Important types are arithmetic, relational, logical, assignment, increment, decrement and conditional operators. No. Operator hierarchy. Operator hierarchy tells us which operation is performed first. For example, in a plus b tarankan C, multiplication is performed before addition. Thus, expressions. An expression is a combination of variables, constants and operators that produces a value. Example, a plus b2, 11. Type conversion. Type conversion means changing one data type into another. It can be implicit, automatic, explicit, done by the programmer. 12. Library functions. Library functions are predefined functions provided by C libraries. Examples: printf output, scanf input, strlen string length, scat square root. 13. Formatted and unformatted I/O. Formatted I/O uses format specifiers. Examples: printf and scanf. Unformatted I/O includes functions such as getcher, putcher and puts. Decision making. 14. If statement. If executes a statement when a condition is true. 15. If else. If else is used when there are two possible choices. 16. Nested if else. When an if or if else is placed inside another if or else, it is called nested if else. 17. Else if ladder. It is used to check multiple conditions one by one. 18. Switch statement. Switch is used for multiple choice decision making. Important parts are case, break and default. 19. Conditional operator is called the conditional operator. It is a short way to write a simple condition. Quick revision. So, Unit 1 में हमने cover किया C basics, tokens, data types, variables, constants, operators, expressions, type conversion, library functions, input, output, decision making. बस इतना Unit 1 के लिए अभी आपको याद रखना है. This was our short revision of Unit 1. I hope it was easy to understand. See you in the next unit.